little smart kids.
Hi guys, I only left my house and here's a surprise. A great big fountain of water shot straight at the crossroads. Wow, maybe the water pipe is broken. I am calling the emergency service. They should repair it. Hello? Repair municipal service? Oh, you know already. Okay, we're waiting. Wow, there is so much water already. And here's the repairman. Now the work will start. Well, what will the repair work start with? What do you think? First, you have to cut off the water. But you need to find a valve that stops the flow of water into the damaged pipe. And here it is. It must be turned until it stops the water. So, look, the first job is done. The fountain disappeared. Now the accident site is going to dry out a bit, and then it will be clear for what to do next. Wow, look at the crack in the pavement. However, it's not surprising. The water pressure was very strong. We'll have to call the heavy equipment. We cannot cope without its help. Primarily, we need the excavator. And here it is. It arrived. Its big bucket will quickly dig a pit for the repairers so they'll be able to get to the cracked pipe. Let's see how it will do it. Look, what a great bunch of land. Imagine how long the repair people had to dig with shovels. Well, the pit is prepared. Look, the truck has brought a new pipe to replace the cracked one. But how can they get it? It's very large and heavy. To do this, you will need a crane. And here it is. Now the crane is going to raise the jib and lower the hook into the hole to get the pipe. Wow, what a huge crack! And the pipe is already very old and rusty. It's not surprising that it was broken through. Now in place of the old pipe, the hook will drop a new one. So, the pipe is changed. Now we have to fill the hole. The excavator dug out a large pile of earth. And to put it back, we need a tractor. And here it is. See how carefully it fills the hole? And most importantly, it's fast. And now we have to make the road smooth. First, the truck puts the gravel on the road. Gravel. This is small pebbles. And on top of hot asphalt. To smooth the asphalt, the roll truck is coming. It has a very heavy iron wheel. Under the weight of it, the asphalt will be smooth and even. Wow! Looks like there was no crack. The road is just like new. Well, I'll go, guys. See you later. Bye. Beep beep. If you don't want to miss any new cartoons, subscribe to our channel. Also, you can click on the word like.